Hello students, our today's topic is manage house banks and house bank accounts. For that, we can use SAP S accounting, financial accounting, banks, master data, bank master record, house bank and house bank accounts, manage house banks and house bank accounts. House banks and house banks account, manage house bank and house bank account. Click on position, we will check our company code. Okay, select our company code. Then click on bank accounts. House banks. Now click on bank accounts. Click on continue button. And now click on create bank button. Click on allow button. It will open another window of SAP Netware. Enter your details, user number and password. Then click on log on. SAP Netware Business Client is actually a web-based client with a completely different screen layout from the traditional SAP GUI screen. With the introduction of SAP S/4HANA Finance, some configuration and transaction steps have been moved to SAP Business Client. You will need SAP Business Authorization to perform configuration tasks and execute transaction. We can either access SAP Business Client directly by executing a task through SAP GUI or by using its transaction code NWBC. You need to launch SAP Business Client by choosing the relevant role of your task or activity. Here our new bank account page is open. Now enter our details, opening date, we will enter our opening date as a 1st Jan, company code TRE1, country GB, account holder, nonce dash IT, power tools, currency, bank country, GB, nothing found. Okay. GB. Bank key 8888. Currency GBP. Account number we want we have 99887733. Then account description as a current account and account type is current. Now click on house bank account connectivity. Then click on add button. Now enter house bank account data. We will select here GL, bank account, and then click on save button. Enter the bank house ID. Okay. B or 01. Now click on save button. Our bank account, current account is created. Now we will go on SAP. Come back. Select house bank, bank accounts. FI12 position TRE1. Select our company, click on house bank. Now click on bank accounts, click on continue button. Here our current account is ready.